Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Dara Radhar Somi head Baba Gurinder Singh Dhillon in Amritsar, Punjab today, November 5th. Union government has constituted a committee for strengthening the assessment and accreditation of higher education institutions. President Draupadi Murmu concluded her two-day maiden visit to Sikkim today, November 5th. The president visited the famous Char Dham temple in Namchi district this morning, where she also interacted with women entrepreneurs. India yesterday, November 4th, reiterated its support for denuclearization towards peace and security in the Korean Peninsula. 7 India women boxers, including Tokyo Olympic bronze medalist Lovelina, will be kicking off their champions for the quarter-final stage today, November 5th, in the ongoing Asian Boxing Championships being held at Amman in Jordan.